To belong is to be a part of community that fosters a sense of care for yourself and the people around you. Knowing that you always have someone to rely or call on whenever you need help. I think you find the place that you feel you belong in by being true to yourself. It's a lot of understanding that people are drawn to like confidence and people who are self-assured and everything. And I think that just by allowing yourself to let go of other people's judgments, be the version of yourself that you want to see instead of what you think other people want to see. And I think that, again, just by fulfilling yourself, you will find people. And I think that by validating and being true to yourself, you will find people that will uplift you and support you no matter what. To belong is to have a sense of community more than anything.
Very much.